Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we have a very delicious celebration. It's every February 2nd of the month, every second day of the month of February, we have the so-called Ehou-maki Matsuri. And my friend here is on the phone. She's gonna help me understand what is this all about. Hello, Keiko-san.
Hello.
Thank you for this chance. Actually, I have here Iihou-maki.
Yes.
Iihou-maki is a matsuri, right?
Omatsuriの節分 is objective name 節分。
Setsubun.
今日から春になるの。
Oh, Setsubun means 今日から春になる. That means from this day on, it will become spring.
Spring, yes.
Springtime.
Spring
Actually,
today is spring.
spring. Actually, I have 4 kinds of Iihou-maki. And
最後の節分に春になる前の日に鬼を追い払って、そして、豆を投げて鬼を追い払って、そして恵方巻き、南南と方角では南南とサウス見てイーストの方を向いて、
はい。
巻き寿司を食べるの。
Oh, actually we have what she said, that we have a kind of a matsuri. It's a mame. Mame is a beans, and then we throw the beans to the what ino, uni. It's a devil. Demon, yeah. Yeah, or goblins, something. So we're throwing the mame so that they will go away, and then after those mame became Iihou-maki. Yeah, okay. I have kinds of Iihou-maki here. I wonder what kind of Iihou-maki. I think this one is only wrapped in a plastic, and this is made of vegetable Ehou-maki. And the other one is, I think this is a typical Ehou-maki. And I have another one here. It's a kaisen Ehou-maki. Kaisen means a mix of seafoods. And another one is deluxe seafood Ehou-maki. Yeah, I wonder how to eat this, and I think we have a procedure how to eat this, right? How to eat the Ehou-maki. I will just open it. Actually, we just bought this in the convenience store. Every 2nd of February, we saw this kind of food in the convenience store, and then I am always wishing for this. And I'm gonna open one. This is the deluxe seafood Ehou-maki. And it looks like it's not white. It's wrapped. It's in a plastic. Do we have a way to open this? I think I have this one. Hantai. There yan. And there's a mark here. I'm going to open the plastic for Ehou-maki. Oh no, what's happening? I cannot just open it. There. I'm gonna push the plastic of the Ehou-maki. I think I remember how to open the plastic. There's a cover of the Ehou-maki. And then I'm just going to fold over the plastic. And I'm just gonna get this. Oh no, I think I'm mistaken. What I know, I'm just gonna pull down, right? Oh, it's very hard if you cannot see what I'm doing, right? And because I already opened the nori of the Ehou-maki, but still the rice is covered with plastic. Oh, there. I was able to get the plastic, but I think I made it wrong. Because once we open it, the plastic, right, it will just roll. Oh, there, I made it! Then, Ehou-maki have a sauce. Why? This is a seafood deluxe, and this I think it's a kind of sushi sauce. Shoyu. And the other one is wasabi. Yeah. This is wasabi. Iihou-maki have shoyu. And then we just pour. Do we have a way of eating it, like putting on a standing position, or just lay down and cut it with the knife? 何か食べ方ありますか？例えばこれは立ったままで横になってナイフできるのなんですか？
No, it's round bite. Round bite, not kajiri.
Oh,
Round bite.
so I should bite this roundly. So should I pray before eating, or should I make a wish?
Yeah, no, just to the good direction. わかる？いい方向。Ehou means good direction.
Good direction, Ihou.
Yes.
So I need to bite this roundly.
Good direction. 今年は it depends on the year. 今年ね、2021年はだんだんとそれに向かって facing the good direction. Southeast direction and round eat it. Nothing with nothing to say or just mute. 黙ってね、食べる。
I'm eating it roundly, and I was able to eat the kani. Kani is a crab.
Don't speak anything.
Oh no!
Don't speak anything. Just mute and just eat. Concentrate on eating. So
And I need to finish all of this.
それで終わり。それで You will have a good luck today. Today this year. Good luck.
Really? That means I need to eat all of this to receive my good luck for this year?
All of the roll. 全部ね。
This is very big, so I need to finish all of this. It's very long. And I choose the seafood deluxe, so I need to finish this. It's hard to eat with the video. Right. So that means I still have remaining 3. I need to eat all of these 3? Or only 1?
Only one.
Me too.
You eat silently.
Yeah, Mama, why don't you try to so that we can have a best luck of the year?
Later. Later. I'm a fool.
You said I need to eat this roundly. The problem is because this is a deluxe seafood, some seafood are falling down. And I cannot eat roundly because it became flat now.
Oh no.
Oh no! My Ehou-maki looks like no shape anymore. And all the seafood fall into the plate.
And then?
I need to finish this because I want my best luck for the year.
Oh no, I want to taste that.
Oh, sorry! Because you said it only eat one alone. I thought we're gonna slice it. I need the spoon.
No. What
I need a spoon. No spoon here.
No, there is no spoon there.
Because there's a lot of seafood fall into the plate. Because of seafood deluxe flavor, I just fall in the plate. And you said we need to eat one long, only that one long to receive the lucky for the year, right? So I choose to eat it all, and then Mama and Collis get angry because they said they want to eat what I have eaten too. Oh no! Why we cannot divide it? Why we cannot slice it? どうして分けられなかったんですか？例えばみんなに分けなかったんですか？どうして一人で食べちゃうんですか？
それはね、私もよく知らないんだけれど、関西の方では一本丸まま黙って食べるっていうことが規則みたいで、なぜ切っちゃいけないのかね、初めから小さいのを作ればいいの、恵方巻きを食べるとき、食べるときに大きいのにしないで小さいのを作っておけば最後まで食べられる。
But what we have bought in the convenience store is big. It's really long and big.
多分ね、だけどそういうの大きいのを大きな口を開けて食べるっていうことはちょっと嬉しいことじゃない？そんな意味があるかもしれない。
And do you know what? I choose the seafood deluxe, and I was surprised of the price. It's 980 yen plus the tax is almost 1,000, more than 1,000 yen. And then eat that in one time. Oh, that means I can cut that so that I can share it with them, right? But I eat all of that alone.
一旦手に持つとね、全部それを切らなきゃいけないのね。黙ってて。
That's why, Collie, if we have this, because it's not cut, we eat that one time because once you eat it, it's all yours. That means that's all yours. You'll be happy because this is all yours. But if in the first place you cut this, that's why you can share the half for the others and you can share the half for yours. But still, because you hold it already, so that means you need to eat it with yourself. Because once you bite it and you're gonna share it with the others, that's good, right? So that makes sense. Alright. So that is our Iihou-maki for today. And I was able to share a little bit of the culture in Japan. This only happened every February 2nd of the month. So Iihou-maki. Iihou-maki is about umami. So that's why we have bonito pantsuga. That's different. 違う. That's just a joke. Yeah. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like our simple short video for today. And yeah, we have lots more of Japanese culture to share with, and I hope I was able to share to you all, guys. So please don't forget to share, like, comment, and just click the button subscribe and bell notification button. And yeah. So this is maybe Aibyry Bables, Aibyry space Bables, and feel free to share our videos. And thank you so much for my best friend, my mother, my best friends ever here in Japan, Keiko-san. Thank you, Keiko-san. Actually, they're listening to you. You're in the YouTube. Yeah, okay. I'm sorry, I cannot show you. I cannot show to you guys who is my best friend here in Japan. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for viewing. Thank you.
Have a nice day.